Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we take a closer look at the gadgets and accessories that enhance your tech experience. Today, we're diving into the XIMAIACC LED backlight strips, specifically designed for Vizio 65-inch TVs. If you've been dealing with uneven TV lighting or a dim display, this set of 8 LED backlight strips promises a simple, direct solution to brighten up your viewing experience. Right out of the box, these strips stand out for their ease of installation. No modifications are needed. Each strip comes with double-sided adhesive backing, so you can mount them directly inside your TV chassis. Each piece measures 25 inches in length, made with a thickened aluminum substrate that not only supports high-performance LED lighting but also ensures efficient heat dissipation. This means longer-lasting use without the risk of overheating. Each strip features 5 high-brightness LEDs powered at 6 volts, providing uniform, glare-free illumination across your screen. The aluminum construction isn't just for heat management. It offers excellent electrical conductivity, corrosion resistance, and stable current transmission, so the lights maintain consistent brightness over time. The glow produced is even, enhancing the contrast and depth of your TV images. And the energy-efficient LEDs help you brighten up your display without significant power consumption. One of the key considerations with backlight strips is compatibility. Emphasizes carefully matching the replacement strips with your original TV components, including connector specifications, strip length, voltage, and LED count. They even recommend opening your TV casing to verify the match before purchase. This ensures that you get the perfect fit for your Vizio model and prevents any installation issues. The package comes as a complete set of 8 strips, enough to fully equip your 65-inch Vizio display. The compact size and lightweight design make handling and installation straightforward. And the color-changing feature adds flexibility if you want to experiment with different lighting moods behind your TV. From a practical standpoint, these strips offer a significant upgrade for anyone struggling with faded or inconsistent backlighting. The plug-and-play setup makes it accessible even if you aren't a professional technician. While the quality materials ensure that once installed, these LEDs are a long-term solution. The clear attention to thermal management and electrical stability makes them a reliable choice for improving your TV's viewing experience. Overall, these backlight strips are designed to provide a hassle-free, high-quality upgrade for Vizio 65-inch TVs. If you're looking for uniform, bright, and durable backlighting that's easy to install and compatible with multiple Vizio models, this product is definitely worth considering. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you're upgrading your TV lighting, this backlight strips could be the perfect addition. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss our deep dives into the latest tech accessories.